Hi boys and girls, today for handwriting we're actually going to learn a new reading skill. So I want to teach you the word homophone. Can you say that with me? Homophone. Good job. Let's count how many syllables the word homophone has. Homophone. 3 syllables. Now in those 3 syllables there's the word homo and the word phone. Homo means same. So we're going to go like this for same. And now when you hear the word phone, what do you think of? Listening to something or someone talking on the phone, right? So the phone is like listening to the sound. So when a word has a homophone, it has the same sound as another word. Now, if words have the same sound, then how do you know what people are talking about? Because they use different letters to spell them. So today we're going to learn how to use homophones, same sound. Do that with me. Homophone has the same sound, but homophones have different letters. Same sound, different letters. So let's practice what homophones look like. So I have 2 pictures next to me, and they both have the same sound of the word, but if you notice at the bottom, they have different letters. So listen to the word. One. 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 This one is the number 1, and it uses the letters O, N, E. This one is like someone won a game. W-O-N. These 2 words are homophones because they have the same sound, but they use different letters, which really means they mean different things. Let's try another one. Here we have a ball, and here we have someone who's crying or they're bawling. So ball, ball. They have the same sound, but look at their letters. The ball you play with is B-A-L-L. But the person crying is B-A-W-L. Ball, ball. Same sound, but they use different letters and they mean different things. Let's look at this one. This is the word see. See. See as like in the ocean. See as what you do with your eye. The sea that's in the ocean uses the letters S-E-A. But when you're talking about what you're doing with your eyes, you write S-E-E. They're homophones. They both say see. They have the same sound, but they use different letters and they mean different things. So I'm going to show you your handwriting page to see how you're going to be using homophones to practice handwriting. So to get started on your assignment, you're going to need page 52 out of your handwriting packet, or you can print this page off online. Now again, homophones have the same sound, but they use different letters and they mean different things. So what we need to do is we need to go through and we need to see the pictures we know, and we're going to match it to the words that we might not know yet. So we have this picture right here of a fish, but look where that arrow is pointing. What do we call this part of the fish? Yeah, this is his tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. But there's another word that says tail, but it doesn't mean the backside of an animal. T-A-L-E is like when you're telling a story or a tale. So tail and tail are homophones because they have the same sound, but they use different letters and they mean different things. So we know that these 2 are going to go together. Here we have the number what? The number 8. E-I-G-H-T is the number 8. But listen to this sentence. I ate some carrots. When I said the word 8, did I mean the number? No, I mean like I was eating something. So that's a homophone where it has the same sound, but different letters and mean different things. So we have our number 8, and then here we have the word 8. A-T-E is like we were eating something. I ate a carrot. Now let's go back to our picture. This is the word pail, P-A-I-L, pail. It's like a bucket that you could use at the beach. But pale, when you spell it P-A-L-E, it means someone who's fair-skinned. So the person's skin was pale. Now, when I'm talking about the color of someone's skin, am I talking about a bucket? No, I'm not. I'm talking about a homophone where they have the but different, and they have different meanings. So pale is like the skin color, and this pail is like a bucket. Now let's go to this next one, rain. We know rain coming from the sky, R-A-I-N. But listen to this sentence. The king reigns over his kingdom. Is the king? No, he's not reigning. Reign is another word for like someone who's in control. So like a prince or a princess can reign over their kingdom. So this is the word reign when we're talking about someone who's in charge of a kingdom, R-E-I-G-N. So rain coming from the sky and reign from a kingdom, they have the same sound but different letters with different meanings. Here's a picture of a horse. This part of the horse is the horse's mane, M-A-N-E, mane. But listen to this sentence. The main reason for this activity is our handwriting. The main reason. Am I talking about a horse's hair? No. So that's going to be this word right here, mane. The main reason we're doing this. Mane, mane. Same sound, different letters, different meanings. Our last picture is pointing to the sail of a sailboat. Sail. But listen to my sentence. The toys were on sale. Am I still talking about a sailboat? No, it means something that has been discounted. So that's right here. Sale. Sail and sail are homophones. Same sound, different letters, different meaning. So let's practice writing a few of these down, and then I'm going to let you get started. So this says 8. 8. Now, A-T-E is like when you're eating something. I ate a carrot. Which one does it sound like? 8. It sounds like the number 8. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to look for the number 8. And then I'm going to look at its letters and I'm going to write it. E, I, G, H, T. Now make sure that your sizing of your letters is correct, okay? Number 2, this says main. Now if you forget these words, Mom and Dad can tell you, but you've got to figure out which picture it goes with. Mane. Which picture talks about a mane? Yeah, the horse. So we're going to look at the horse, we're going to look at these letters, and we're going to write them over here. M-A-N-E. This word says pail. Which picture had a pail? Yeah, this one right here, P-A-I-L, was like a bucket, a pail. This was skin color, but P-A-I-L is talking about a bucket. Now these you're going to do on your own. This says tail. Now this was like a story. Where was the homophone for tail? You're going to write it here. This is the word reign. This is talking about a kingdom with like a king or a prince or a princess. So which picture talked about reign? And then you're going to put it here. This last one says sale. This is like a discount. A toy was on sale. Which homophone has the same sound as sale? And then you're going to write it here. Now at the bottom, they gave us two homophones that go together. Rain and rain, sail, sail. Now this one they gave to you, reign. The king will reign until he dies. They started with a capital. They gave you all the spacing. They gave you a period at the end. You're going to trace this sentence. Now you're going to come up with your own sentence about rain. What could you say about rain? Maybe you could say, I like the rain. I like the rain. You could write that down, but make sure you're spelling it R-A-I-N. Now here we have S-A-L-E, sale. This is when something is on sale, a discount. So what could you write that uses the word sale? Maybe you could say something like, the toy is on sale. That would work. Did you have another idea? Okay, the last one is S-A-I-L, sail. Now that matches this one, like the sailboat. What sentence can you write that talks about the sail of a sailboat? Boys and girls, you learned a lot of new things today. But our main thing that we learned was homophone. Say homophone. Same sound, different letters, different meanings. So as you're practicing your handwriting page today, I hope that you're also practicing finding homophones. See you later, friends.